shit. So we're gonna get raped by some old guy because we were doing the Thriller? Maybe it was a sign that Michael Jackson wrote that song. What the fuck? I think it said we could go. Let's cross this way.
I hope he's not going to
Shit. Please don't be going to Blockbuster and please don't turn around, crazy old man.
I have somebody to come home to, and I really just don't want to get raped.
Me either.
Okay, let's go. Nobody's fucking gonna arrest me.
Fuck. Are you sure I'm not scared? Run! Shit, should I run? No. Dude, we've been standing here for like 10 minutes. I'm really afraid that the old guy is gonna get us. Ow! Carrie thinks that old guy's gonna get us. Thriller theme song. Why do all these old people keep honking at us? I'm really scared.
Because they want me to use their coat, but I don't.
Oh, that old guy wanted you to do the Thriller for him.
Yes, you did.
And I'm
Wait, is that too long?
No, I stopped it again.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop it until we get to Blockbuster. We love you!